Making an offer is the scariest part of the whole process. So what conditions should you put on your offer? And I've done heaps of videos on how to actually make an offer. I've done like a 10-minute YouTube on it as well, but it kind of narrows down to 3 or 4 key things. Number one is obviously finance, which is, can you get the money from the bank? If you're not using a bank and you got cash, you probably don't need that clause. Number two is the building report. Again, if you've got a builder mate that wants to go through it, then maybe you don't need that clause. But the reason it is on there and it's a good idea is you have written evidence of the state of the building. And if there's issues that pop up, then obviously you've got a written report. It means you may be able to ask for a discount or get them fixed. And number three is something to do with the lawyer. Now, a lawyer's approval clause isn't really enough. And you probably want to have something that encompasses like the limb, the title, and all of the property documents to protect you. But this is why a mortgage broker is kind of like the guy that tells you what conditions you could have in there. A real estate agent would hopefully write them in for you, but you get them checked off by a lawyer to make sure you're protected. Now, obviously, you could make an unconditional offer, and that means that you are, unconditional. You've ticked off finance, you've ticked off the lawyer stuff, you've ticked off the building report, you've ticked off everything else. And that's risky if you haven't ticked those things off, but so much better from a seller's perspective because there's less risk from their side.